Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Friday. This is the 30th of May, last trading day of the month. Let's get right into the charts. Not a lot going on today. It's end of the month, options expiration, all that. Starting with the S&P, pretty much have been saved that move there. Not really been in a range for the most part. I mean, there was one opportunity here and it's been challenged. 6,000 is clearly resistance, which it seems to me like, next attempt, we're probably going to break out, go to all-time highs. Interesting below the surface, Nvidia's down after the earnings. In fact, I rarely show stock charts, but yeah, Nvidia actually is pulling back from 140, 145 supply. If it breaks 130, then I think it'll take the whole market down. NASDAQ similarly just been chopping around in here. It's been the stronger of all the major indices for obvious reasons. You've got a lot of the technology moving higher. So this has been a strong market. In fact, it's near an all-time high. I think this is probably going to make an all-time high coming up here. That's just the way the markets gravitate towards these highs, and I would not be surprised in the least if we make an all-time high. Now, the question obviously is, it's going to be one of these numbers where it comes to the all-time high and then we crash out. Tough to know, but I think it's in the cards that we go to a new high. Russell just kind of chopping around, big resistance at 2130 that may be breaking out. Everything else, not much really. Rates just kind of dead in the water here. We got jobs number next week. Maybe that moves the market. Dollar is still struggling to get any kind of traction. Very similar. So a similar situation there. Gold also now in a range. Got a lot of this going on. Copper, gold. For you futures traders, it's been a struggle, I would imagine. That's why we're kind of looking at individual stocks. Gold also in a range, which is interesting because gold could be you can see gold in a for sure in a range here. And it's going to be interesting to see if gold leads. In other words, if gold rallies with the stock rally, that could be a harbinger of maybe institutions looking for something to go bad here with the stock market. Also notable, nat gas hanging around the prior lows, maybe looking to find a bottom here at 345, and also very clear resistance at 383, and it'll be. I think there's an opportunity coming up here in nat gas next week, so we will see what happens there. Everything else, pretty much waiting and watching to see some more clarification on tariffs and this and that. But more importantly, I think the leading indicators are going to be these tech stocks, the mega caps leading everything. So watch for, Apple, see if it can break above 215. See if Nvidia can finally break above the highs, and you can see a lot of this stuff just kind of meandering about here. We're heading. We had some stocks down today. It's kind of a mixed bag. So, but I think 6,000 is the key level to look at next week on the S&P. So keep an eye out for that. All right. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Take care.